Hey happy homemakers, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a complete disaster, whole house clean with me. Yesterday was Marcus's 3rd birthday, so we spent the whole day doing fun stuff with him. And the house got a little messy. Tomorrow is his birthday party, so I really need to clean up everything today. I hope this video gives you some major cleaning motivation, so you can either watch it for some inspiration or turn it on and clean along with me while it's playing. Really quick, if you're new to my channel, I'm so glad you are here. My name is Justine, and on my channel, I'm all about joyful motherhood, natural living, and an orderly and peaceful home. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so please hit that red subscribe button, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know where you're from. I love getting to know my subscribers through the comments. If you're not new, welcome back. You know the drill. Would you please take a second and hit that like button because it helps me out on YouTube so much. Now let's get into this video. So I just wanted to pop on here really quick and just say I am so overwhelmed with this mess. I feel like I have so much to do and it's already 10 o'clock and I haven't even started. So I'm just gonna get in and get it done as fast as I can. The first thing I'm gonna clean is the table. Sometimes I like to just tackle a job by starting with the area I think will be the quickest to clean up, because then I feel right off the bat like I've accomplished something. So I just quickly cleared off the table, which my table had a mountain of stuff on it. It doesn't usually get this messy, but like I said, we were just busy all day yesterday and I just kind of let the house go. I also have a ton of party preparations that are just kind of out until we use them at the party tomorrow. So I just quickly cleared off the table and put all the party stuff together on the kitchen counter. I hadn't even cleaned up after breakfast at this point, so I washed all the cereal and milk off of our table and then put the runner back on and all the placemats. There's tons of cereal on our floor as well, if you didn't notice. After that, it was time to unload the dishes from last night, but as I looked through them, I realized that I forgot to turn it on, which I was so sad about because I had tons of dishes in my sink. It's unbelievable how many dishes were in my sink, so I just started the dishwasher and took out the trash instead. And took a few moments to text someone. I think it was about party preparations. Marcus got the IKEA kitchen set from his daddy and I for his birthday yesterday, and they have been playing with it nonstop, as well as a couple other toys he got from his aunt and grandparents. So they were super busy in the living room playing. I always thought that more toys would be more clutter, but rotating them through and getting some new toys is really nice as a mom sometimes. After that, I just cleared everything off the counters, putting everything away or putting dishes in the sink and another trash bag in the trash. And by the way, that is a chef outfit that Marcus is wearing. That one was from his great grandma. After I cleared off the counters, I just put the recycling away in the recycling bin, and then I'm just going to spray down the counters with my method. I think it's the citrus scent of their antibacterial spray. I like to use antibacterial spray on the countertops, especially if I've cooked eggs or cooked with meat, just to keep things sanitary and avoid cross-contamination. The scent also smells really good. I like this method one a lot. After that, I went to clean the kids' bedroom. A lot of times this will be saved for last, and I won't get to it all the time. But since we were gonna have the party, I decided to tackle that area first just to make sure that it got done. There's lots of toys in here as well that I just needed to put away, lots of clothes to be picked up and hung up. And when I opened his closet, I realized that it was just kind of a mess in there too, so I took a little bit extra time to just declutter as well. The first thing I did was just sort everything into piles, what clothes needed to be hung up, what clothes were dirty, threw them in the laundry bin in their room, the laundry hamper in their room, and then what needed to go back in their dresser drawers, and any shoes that needed to go in the closets. After that, I just started picking up their toys, and because they were getting so many new toys, I just decided to take the biggest toys that were in their room and put them in the closet for now, just so there weren't tons of huge toys out, which kind of worked really well. And once they get bored of the new toys, I'll just rotate everything and pull them out again. And by the way, the reason there's a FabFitFun box in there is because I like to keep it in there to hold all the kids' clothes that they've outgrown. That way they don't get all mixed up in their dresser drawers and I'm picking out stuff that they can't even wear anymore. But there's a place to put everything as they outgrow it. I actually like to store Chloe's clothes in the FabFitFun boxes by size. It's just enough room for every size as she goes through them. I learned this from another YouTube mama. I can't remember who it was, otherwise I would link her down below. But I think it's just a fantastic idea to have an empty basket or box or bin in there that you just throw things in as they outgrow them. After that, I just quickly hung up everything in. After that, I just quickly hung up any clothes that belonged in their closet, and their room was pretty much clean. Like I said, the kids have been getting a ton of new toys lately, so the living room was just kind of messy. So we quickly just picked up all the toys and put them away. Also, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for all the moms who have been giving me some great ideas to encourage Marcus to clean up. I was in such a hurry this day that I didn't really try to make him help me, but I just wanted them to keep playing and stay out of the way so I could do it quickly. But a lot of you mamas gave me some great tips about turning up on the cleanup song while you're cleaning up, making a game by saying bye-bye to every toy as they put it away. And all those little things really help. I think the key is just to make it an enjoyable process for the kids. And then hopefully over time it will become second nature to just stay tidy. There were also a lot of snacks all over the floor because I let the kids have a snack after breakfast. It always helps entertain them a little bit more and gives me a little bit more time while I'm cleaning. So I did, and I was gonna vacuum anyway. So whenever I know that I'm gonna be vacuuming, I don't worry too much about snacks being eaten in the living room. kids love it when I'm just in the living room doing work, even though I'm not exactly playing with them. They enjoy me being there with them, which is really sweet. Except for as I was cleaning, they just kept making messes right behind me. So I kind of knew in the back of my head that the toys weren't going to be completely picked up. But nowadays I try to look at toys as part of the decoration and not necessarily a messy house. And not necessarily a mess. That choo-choo track is one of Markie's new toys. It's like a Lego / train track, and he is obsessed with it. I think it's his favorite toy. So Auntie Jen, if you were watching this, he really, really loves it, and thank you so much. After that, I grabbed the Dyson. I just quickly vacuumed up all the crumbs, and Marcus really, really wanted to help me, so I just let him play with it a little bit while I cleaned up some other areas. The kids really love it when I vacuum, but unfortunately, because the Dyson is so expensive, I don't let them play with it as much as I did with my older vacuum. I just vacuumed around Marcus's choo-choo train set and called it good. After that, it was time to switch a load of laundry. This is not laundry day, but I did have a little bit of extra laundry to do. At that point, my aunt had come to help me prepare for the party, which was so nice of her. She's always coming to help me with stuff like that or to watch the kids, which is so nice. So we were gonna start making the cake and stuff. So while she was there, I just quickly took a few minutes to go and clean up my bedroom, which is mostly clean. The bed just needed to be made, and some clothes were left out that needed to be put away. Been staying a lot tidier, which I mean at this moment it doesn't look like it has been, but we've just had a lot going on and there's just a lot of stuff that doesn't belong in my bedroom right now. But the way I try to keep it more tidy and get less messy is by having only what belongs in my bedroom stay in there. In my nightstand there's basically just some face masks, my Bible, hair ties, just stuff that I would actually grab at night or in the morning. Oh, and then also my charger. And then in my dresser, there's only clothes, some jewelry on top, and what books I'm reading. So I try to keep only what belongs in our bedroom, and it stays a lot cleaner, but it also promotes a more peaceful environment, which I'm really loving. But the next area I need to work on in life is organizing our clothes and also developing a habit to hang them up as soon as we're done wearing them, instead of just throwing them on the floor or on the chair that's in our bedroom. After that, my load of dishes was done, so I just quickly emptied the dishwasher because I was gonna make a cake like I said earlier, and my sink was already packed and had no more room for any other dishes. I was done loading the dishwasher, I just put in a Method dishwasher pod. That's the one I'm using right now, and I really like it because the dishes come out really clean and I don't have to thoroughly rinse them or anything before I put them in, so it's really nice. Some dishes that didn't fit in the dishwasher, and usually I would take the time to wash those by hand and put them away, but since I was going to have some cake dishes to do, I just left them out to do them all together at the end. My house, which was so messy, was once again really clean and back to order, which always feels so good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, if you're new, please consider subscribing and being part of my YouTube family, and also hitting that like button to let me know you want to see more videos like this. If you have any video suggestions, feel free to leave those in a comment down below because I love hearing from you guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.